Hey everyone.
Check out
Today
this
we're
CarPlay for the
reviewing the
F15
10.25
X5. That's
inch car
exactly what
stereo
this is,
upgrade for
and I got it
BMW
installed
X5 and
it
X6
myself.
models
Actually
from
took me about 2
2014
hours
to
to do,
2017
and it
with the
works
NBT
just like
system.
any other CarPlay.
If you've been wanting
It
wireless
probably could have been a
CarPlay,
little quicker
Android
if I actually
Auto,
did read the
and a modern
directions, but
touchscreen
right now
without
it
losing
is
your
a little
factory
bit laggy, and I
BMW
think that's
look,
because I'm
this is the
recording this
perfect
on my
upgrade.
phone because I stopped recording
This head
video
unit from
just to make
Road
sure to
Top
wonder why
/NBT
it was
Linux
lagging,
system fits right
and
into
it
your
wasn't
dashboard
lagging at all
and
once I
integrates perfectly
stopped
with your
recording the
original
video. So I
iDrive
assume
controller.
it's something to do with my phone.
You
and
keep
this,
all your OEM
why
features,
it's lagging,
just
but when
with
I'm not
smarter
recording,
tech,
I promise you
smoother
guys it is not
performance,
this
and a
laggy.
gorgeous
It works
display.
perfectly. Even
Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay plus Android Auto. Enjoy seamless phone integration, navigation, music, and calls, all hands-free right on your BMW screen. 10.25-inch HD touchscreen display. A crisp, high-resolution panel that brings a modern luxury look to your interior. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Connect your phone or stream music wirelessly with stable connections and quick pairing. Retains all factory BMW functions. You still have access to iDrive menus, parking sensors, and original system info, fully compatible with NBT. Easy plug-and-play installation. No coding, no wire cutting, simply connect the included harness and mount the screen for a factory-style fit. OEM-style fit and finish, looks like it came straight from the BMW factory. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto work flawlessly, quick boot up, minimal lag. Big, vibrant touchscreen transforms your interior and adds modern convenience. Installation can take time, especially removing the old screen if you're new to it. Slight delay when switching between OEM and Android menus. Overall, this 10.25-inch car stereo upgrade for the BMW X5 and X6 is one of the cleanest, most functional retrofits you can get. You keep your factory system, gain wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and give your BMW a tech refresh it truly deserves. Check it out now on Amazon, links in the description or tap here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car upgrade reviews. See you in the next drive.